And today we are considering the Putnam problem from 1987, B1, in which you have to evaluate the integral between 4 and 2 of the logarithmic expression shown, and so we use the King's property in order to do a substitution. And so if I say that u equals 4 plus 2 minus x, u equals 6 minus x, so that du equals minus dx, and I alter my limits, and I can alter my expressions 9 minus x and x plus 3, I will find that I have an integral in u shown at the bottom left, with 2 at the top, 4 at the bottom, minus du on the end, and the square root expressions adjusted as shown, and I can now rewrite my u integral in terms of x, swap my limits, and take that minus sign off the du. And so you can now see in the bottom right hand corner that I have translated my integral in u into an integral in x. And so I now have two integrals in x which are equivalent. The one at the top left hand corner, which we started with, and the one at the bottom right hand corner, which I have composed by the use of the King's rule. And those two integrals, the top left and the bottom right, are identical, and so I can add them together to obtain an integral which is twice the value of the one I'm looking for, and this I now do. So that if I add those, beg your pardon, so that if I now add those two integrals together, I obtain an integral which is twice the value of the one I'm looking for, and so I'll now show you what that looks like. And so twice the integral is as shown, and that, of course, is equal to this. Which is this. So that twice the integral is twice 4 minus 2, which is 4, and so the integral is 4 upon 2, which is 2.